I'm going to make you understand about the reproduction in human beings. This chapter we have already started. But now next topic, that is the reproduction in human beings, I'm going to start. And I'm sure if you watch this video till the last, you'll be able to reply not only lots of questions, but 1 marks, 2 marks and 3 marks questions will become easy for you. So I request you all to see this video till the last, so that you can understand all those topics what I am making you understand under this topic. What are the topics I'm trying to cover today? वो topics क्या-क्या हैं जो कि आज के वीडियो में cover हो पाएंगे? They are reproduction in human beings, in that puberty, primary and secondary sexual characters. What are the changes takes place in at the time of puberty? What happened at the onset of puberty? What are the secondary sexual characters? What do we mean by primary sexual characters? These all we are going to understand. Not only this, we will also understand that the sexual maturity is slow. Why this is slow? And what are the purposes of sexual maturity at this age? So these topics we are going to cover in this video. So let us start one by one. हम शुरू करते हैं इस चैप्टर को. As I told you, this what I am going to make you understand. That is what sexual reproduction, and this is in under it. We are going to talk about humans. Sexual reproduction in humans. In human beings, sexes are separate. इनके जो sexes होते हैं वो separate होते हैं. Separate का means they are unisexual. Male reproductive system or organs are found in male individual, and female reproductive parts are found in female. So sexes are they are unisexual. Human beings are unisexual. Their sexes are separate. इनके sex क्या होते हैं? Separate होते हैं. और ये सारे जो sexual organs हैं, they have 2 types of sexual organs, primary and secondary, and these all sexual organs get functional at the age of puberty. ये जो sexual organs हैं वो at the age of puberty जो हैं वो functional होते हैं. They become functional at the age of puberty. So let us know first of all what are the primary and secondary sex organs. ये क्या है? Primary and secondary sex organs क्या है? The primary sex organs in male के जो primary sex organs है वो है testis, और female के जो primary sex organs है वो है ovary. They are primary sex organs, testis and ovary. Do you know why they are called primary sex organs? Because they are present at the time of birth. ये by birth उनमें होता है. Male and female में testis and ovary by birth होता है, इसीलिए हम इसे primary sex organs कहते हैं. Then what do we mean by secondary sex organs? Secondary sex organs are those sex organs which helps at the time of copulation, fertilization or in reproduction. So they are also called secondary sexual characters को हम accessories organ भी कहते हैं. Accessory organs भी हम उन्हें कहते हैं. तो these secondary sexual organs become functional at the time of puberty. But these primary sex organs are found by birth in male and female. You know, this testis when it becomes functional at the age of puberty, जब ये functional होता है तो इसमें क्या शुरू होता है? Formation of what starts? Formation of sperm. What it start? It starts formation of sperm. And at the age of puberty, ovary starts producing ova. It means what? Formation of ova starts at the age of puberty by the testis and ovary. This formation of sperm, there is a word given for the formation of sperm, and this word is known as spermatogenesis. इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? इसे हम spermatogenesis कहते हैं. और formation of ova को हम oogenesis कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? इसे हम oogenesis कहते हैं. Formation of sperm is called spermatogenesis and formation of ova is called oogenesis. And you know together what they are called? They are called together gametogenesis. What they are known as? They are known as gametogenesis. Is process, the process of producing sperm and ova by the testis and ovary called gametogenesis. But the formation of sperm by the testis called spermatogenesis and formation of ova by the ovary is called oogenesis. What it is called? Oogenesis. Not only they produce sperm and ova at the age of puberty, no, they also produce, ये केवल sperm and ova ही नहीं produce करते हैं. There are some secretion starts at the age of puberty. There are some secretions start at the age of puberty, hormonal secretions. So hormones are also released by testis and hormones are also released by ovary. What is the name of hormone produced by testis? The hormone produced by testis is called testosterone. What it is called? Testosterone. And the hormone produced by ovary is called estrogen. It is called estrogen and progesterone. So these are the hormones released by testis and ovary when they mature, when they become functional. So now I am going to make you understand what is this puberty. We need to know what is this puberty. So puberty means what? Do you know? This is the mature stage which occurs in boys and girls at certain age. एक certain age में इनकी maturity शुरू होती है. Can't we say that it starts at once? हम ऐसा नहीं कर सकते ये बिल्कुल अचानक से होता है. नहीं, it takes time. It is a slow process. The sexual maturity is a slow process which takes place at the onset of puberty. In male, this pubertal stage start between 12 to 14, and in female, the pubertal stage start between 10 to 12 years. Before that, you know, physical growth takes place. And then when this puberty start, it means what? Ovary start producing mature ova and testis starts producing sperm by the process of spermatogenesis and by the process of oogenesis. You know, a very amazing thing, surprising thing is there. एक बहुत आश्चर्य की बात ये भी है कि जब लड़कियां, girls, when they take birth, जब लड़कियों का बर्थ होता है, they already consist lots of eggs in their ovary. Already उनके पास ovary में बहुत सारे eggs होते हैं, but they become mature at the age of puberty. At the age of puberty, they become mature. So onset of puberty is at the age of 12 to 14 in male and 10 to 12 in female. So maturation of eggs start and ovary start producing mature egg and sending to the other parts of body. And male start producing sperm and sending it to other parts of body for the process of fertilization. So now let us know what are the changes takes place. What are the changes takes place at the time of puberty? Those changes are called secondary sexual characters. The changes what takes place in boys and girls at the time of puberty, they are called secondary sexual characters. In boys, first of all, what happened? And in girls, what happens? What are the changes takes place? The boy's shoulder becomes broad, and the girl's shoulder, it is not broad, it doesn't broaden, but the boy's shoulders broaden. Then boy's waist part gets thin, it becomes very thin, but the girl's waist part broad, it gets broadened. Boys के आवाज में क्या होता है? Harshness आ जाता है. The sound, the voice becomes harsh just because of the presence of Adam's apple. और boys के जो Adam's apple है वो prominent हो जाते हैं, वो दिखने लगते हैं. Girls में ऐसा नहीं होता है, लेकिन इनके sound जो है वो shrill हो जाते हैं, तीखापन आ जाता है इनकी sound में. और इनके साउंड कैसे हो जाते हैं, इनका जो वोकल कॉर्ड है वो क्या होता है, हार्श हो जाता है, वो ज्यादा भारीपन आ जाता है उनकी आवाज में. Then production of sperm starts in boys and production of ova starts in girls. At the same time, some pubic hairs, the different parts of the body, in the different parts of the body, hair projection starts. Hair projection starts. That also slowly, not at once. You must have seen when beards start coming on the face of boys. जब boys के face पे beards start होते आने, तो वो धीरे धीरे scattered करते हुए फिर वो घना होता है. So some changes are like that. These are the changes which occurs in their in boys and girls. At the same time they attain height. इनके height में भी ये length wise ये बड़े होने लगते हैं. Then girls mammary glands enlarges. At the same time their in boys and girls, as I have told you, they start attaining their height. So these are the secondary sexual characters which appears at the time of puberty, at the time of puberty, onset of puberty, and all those accessory organs start developing. They start developing. So this is what secondary sexual characters. This is what secondary sexual characters. I have already told you that this sexual maturity is slow. This is the slow process. It is what? Slow process. Before sexual maturity, the growth and development of the body is very fast. इस maturity के पहले जो growth and development होती है body की, वो बड़ी fast होती है. हाँ, लेकिन जैसे ही ये sexual maturity आना शुरू होता है, तो growth थोड़ा slow हो जाता है. और sexual maturity, it takes time. It takes time. Then what is the purpose of sexual maturity at this age? A very important part. A very important part is there, that the purpose. What is the purpose? What is the purpose of sexual maturity at this age? उनका purpose क्या है? तो सबसे पहली बात इनमें है, first purpose is their specialized function. Their purpose is specialized function by the reproductive organs. After the age of puberty, what happens? Sexual maturity क्यों जरूरत है? जैसे ही sexual maturity आती है boys and girls में, तो उनके reproductive parts functional हो जाते हैं. Sperm का formation शुरू होता है, and then body parts start growing and developing. So now, after onset of this, girls are able to bear babies in their womb. Now they are able to bear babies in their womb, and boys are able to fertilize the eggs of girls. This is what? So this is first the specialized function. The first specialized function is what? Reproduction और reproductive organs का functional होना. ये इनका first purpose है, reproductive organs का functional होना. और इनका second purpose जो है वो growth. उनका क्या है? You can say that body growth versus reproductive tissue. The second purpose is body growth versus reproductive tissue. Means what? Body growth is this is fast process. It stops for some time. Then what starts? Reproductive tissues start growing. Means what? The sperm start growing, the ova starts growing, and they start becoming mature. Once again, I would like to tell you this sperm and ova, these two are known as gametes. What they are known as? Gametes. Gametes means what? Reproductive cell. Gametes means what? Reproductive cells. And they are produced by gonads. So what do you mean by gonads? Gonads are testis and ovary. So testis and ovary known as gonads, and what do they produce? Sperm and ova known as gametes, and gametes are reproductive cells. And when they all start getting mature, they start getting produced at the time of at the time of puberty. So I hope you people have understand this properly. The topics what I covered today, that was the topics were reproduction, why it is essential, or in what kind of animals such kind of reproduction takes place. We are talking about humans. I also covered what is known by puberty, what do we mean by primary and secondary sex organs, what are the onset of puberty, then what changes takes place at the time of puberty. Then we discussed about the sexual maturity is slow, not very fast, and what are the purposes of sexual maturity at this age. In my next video, I am going to make you understand about male reproductive system and female reproductive system. Male reproductive system and female reproductive system separately. I hope you people have understood this. If you have understood, please like the video, share it and wait for the next video. Thank you all of you.